In this video, I'll show you 3 ways that you can actually consume online content to become much more fluent on your target language. These are tips that are actually very easy to use, highly adaptable, and the best part of it, they're for free. But before we continue, I made a Substack that is going to be in the description. Check it out. It's got a more in-depth discussion about this same subject. So without further ado, let's go. Number 1, we're going to fix your newsletter feed. In here, we're going to remove as much content in your native language, and we're going to replace that with content in your target language. Whether it be audio, videos, or text-based content, you're gonna do as much as possible to read it as much as you can. You don't have to read or comprehend the whole thing. What are you gonna do is that you're gonna create a word and phrase bank out of those contents that you receive, whether it be on video, on audio, or text. Try to copy and paste as much content as possible. You're gonna create a notepad that allows you to journal new phrases, new words, or any new terminologies for you to look it out later, and you can have yourself a well-established word bank and phrase bank for future references. Number 2, you're gonna join WhatsApp channels. In here, you're gonna go on WhatsApp web and you're gonna start browsing new communities and channels that are based on your target language. If you have a hobby or any interest, you're gonna go on WhatsApp and you're gonna find the respective hobby and community channel based on your target language. What you're gonna do here is gonna have a constant feed based on your likings or anything that you might be very interested in. This allows you to create a notepad with your new findings, whether it be for new phrases, words, or any slangs at all. You're gonna be able to look it up and keep track of those on a side note so you can keep it for future references, and you can start building a vocabulary based on the things that you might like. And lastly, and the best one in my opinion, it has to be Language Reactor. This is the free subtitles app which allows you to play simultaneously not only the native language but the native language subtitles on any YouTube video. It works very well. It's actually very accurate. So once you put it on your Chrome extension, what it will do is that it will open a window which you can see not only the target language on top but also the native language on the bottom, or vice versa. This allows me to navigate better on any kind of YouTube channels. It has worked on approximately, let's say, 95% of the ones that I'm subscribed to. So whether I'm watching any language learning YouTube channel or just any standard channel, this allows you to see both languages. And again, this also gives you the chance to take down more notes, and this gives you a better sense of direction where you're watching a video in any foreign language that you're still struggling to understand. So yeah, those are the 3 tips that I wanted to give you today. I know that online consumption can be very detrimental. It can be a very bad habit and even an addiction. So why not make a good habit out of a bad habit? So whether it is you're just scrolling past TikTok or you're just watching YouTube videos, I'm very confident that these tips will give you a better sense of direction and purpose in your target language journey. This will give you a much more proactive rather than a passive approach for learning on your target language. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember to subscribe to my channel and also check the Substack that is on the description below. Bye.